All right, so we got the car from the shop. Finally, this is the car that we're gonna fix. Bring it back to the road. So what did you do? You took that one out?
Take it out.
Yeah. Oh, see? This is the problem.
Yeah, also
So we need to take this one out.
Yeah.
The engine light is on because of these.
Yes.
That's why.
Yeah. More work, you know?
That's okay. It's easy. We could do that. Yeah, you could do that. We could figure it out. See?
Okay.
This is what they did.
I adjust this one. I take this one. The max motor just hammer here. I do it already.
So what did they do?
Max motor?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So what did the max motor do?
I don't know.
It's in frame damage.
Yeah.
I thought this here, I thought they stretched this whole thing out. Maybe this? This one here, this is bent, but the new one's there.
The new one there,
Yeah, so it's good.
A good thing you don't tell me about.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, I
just
thought
told. Yeah, it's good. You
so
see,
this is the apron bracket. So it's not damaged, he said.
you see, no damage.
The
Just
shop
see
said.
this one. I bring my hammer in my home. This one. Actually, I'm worried about this one. He say, just fix it. Just like
Fix.
that. But bro, this space here, there no space. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a big space.
Yeah. Which one is correct? This one or that one? That one is correct.
When we take this one out,
Okay.
put that one in, it's gonna be better.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. But that one we're gonna have to fix a little bit because there's a bent.
Yeah, this one. He said just
Yeah.
just a band.
Yeah, there's a bent on that. There's a big.
I already put this one. This one is out. I already this one. Put it. Fix it.
A little bent there.
Yeah.
Careful.
Already I do like that.
Yeah.
It's David. Yeah, this one. David.
Yeah.
I take this out also because I can't take this screw. You know.
Yeah.
This one like that.
Yeah. I think. Yeah.
This one it was like that.
Yeah.
You see.
But I think
Like
we
that.
have to work on here first because we're gonna need to take this one out.
Yeah.
This is the intercooler pipe.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna be working on the front suspension here, the impact bar, everything has to go back. This is the update on this. Oh shoot. So you can see on our parts car, we took some out. Airbags, all four in the front, and then the seat belt right here, we took them out. We're gonna replace it with this old one. So we're gonna be making a new video again coming up. This is the update on this car we have. We have to put everything back together. As you can see, this is nice. It looks way better than the other one. Way better. There. Taking the dash out on this is the nightmare. You can see I got a video of taking out the center console, the knee airbag. I'll be posting the taking out the dash. Alright, so that's the update. We got everything back and we'll be full swing on this. We're gonna start working. Alright guys, so about a couple days later, we just went crazy and put all our spare parts into this vehicle that we're gonna fix. Check it out. Everything is looking nice on the outside. Now we're working on the inside. This is what the update looked like. We took out the old broken dash, airbag to the passenger side deployed, our steering wheel deployed, it's out, knee airbag is out. We had to take everything around here to get the dash out. The A-pillar is out. Same thing on the passenger side, the A-pillar is out. The glove box compartment is out. And then we just noticed that on our center console on the side right here, because of the airbag deployed, the panel on this side for the center console is cracked. Same thing on this side is cracked. We took that out already. It just peels off. You don't need to take the whole center console. Here's that armrest right here. It's all intact together on the floor. It's just a piece of plastic skin, and then this whole center console is look like this when you take out the both side of the plastic piece. It's pretty easy, but the dash here, you can see there's two bolts right here. Hold the dash, one on the left right here, one in the middle, and this bracket right here, yeah, attached to the dash, some kind of antenna I think. The glove box attached right there. big bolt right here for the airbag going to the dash. One right there. One right there for the bolt, and then one up on the top. Those are the bolts that hold the dash. And of course you had to detach all the harnesses, everything, so that the dash will come out. That's the update on this build. Now we're gonna put everything back together. We get the new seat belt retractor already in, ready to go. Same thing on the driver's side, ready to go. All right, let's go back to the back seat here. So I just noticed that our seat belt behind the driver's side, this is stiff. It was deployed as well. So that one is stiff, and we're gonna have to replace that. Same thing on the passenger side. The one in the middle right here, it's okay. That one's just okay, it's loose. But that one over here on the left, seatbelt retractor is stiff, it's blowing. Same thing on that side. So I'm gonna make a DIY video on replacing those. I'm gonna be taking out the back seat, how to take out the back seat on this Honda Civic, 11th gen Civic, and then we'll replace the seatbelt retractor, and then same thing on the other side. So that's the update on this build. We're gonna keep plugging away. We'll put a brand new airbag on the steering, knee airbag. Same thing on the other side, on the passenger side, the 2 airbag. That will be it. And we'll take this to the shop for them to do inspection. So let's keep plugging away and let's get started.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's put this in. Be careful, make sure everything is all lined up on the bottom here. Okay, get your wiring on the corner and the back, make sure it's not get caught. All right, guys, so here's all the wire that we need. Make sure you know where it goes. Yeah. I think this one goes to the radio. Yeah, just let it hang like that. There's 2 white, gray, and a blue.
This one for the airbag. See?
Yeah, airbag on that yellow one for sure.
Yeah.
Connect that.
Connect that. Just like that. Oh. Okay, good.
Perfect. All right, so there's that one white connector that he's working on. That's for this speaker on the A pillar, and that's pretty much it. And there's another one connector right here that with one black wire. That's for your curtain airbag, single wire. That's pretty much it on this passenger side. There's our radio. There's that little bracket right here. We'll put it with 2 bolts right there. This is for the antenna, XM radio. This is on a center console. Center console. Same thing with this one, center console. Cluster on this side. Controls on this side. This is your tweeter, speaker tweeter on your A pillar. Main connector right there, connected already. So we're just gonna quickly put them together, connect everything at the back, double check all the wiring is connected before we bolt everything down the dash to the main body of the vehicle. So let's just keep plugging away, and let's give you guys an update in a couple minutes. All right, guys, so update on our dash. Everything, the bolt hole lines up to the frame of the dash, especially right here. See the hole right here? It bolts right on there. It goes in right there in the hole right there. Make sure everything is all lined up. Same thing right there, the hole right here lines up, and he's working on the other side as well. And make sure all the harness comes out to the hole for your cluster, the radio. There's your push start right here. This is for the heater control, and this is for your center console, like the USB, some other stuff right here for center console. Make sure everything is all hanging loose before you bolt the dash right in. So we're just gonna put all the bolts in the hole here, like he's working right there. All right, so gray connector and the blue connectors to the touchscreen radio here. There's 2 more connector here, some kind of sensor, some interior light sensor that automatic dimmed, I guess. It depends if you have a bright light outside or it's dark outside, automatically dim your interior stuff. And then the other 2-wire white connector is for your speaker on the center console right there. So those are the 2 connectors you're gonna connect. There you go, nice and finished. Done. Radio is done, bro.
Nice, thank you, bro.
It's
And
done.
this one,
Now we're gonna be working. He's working on the glove box here.
yeah, yeah.
All right, so
Need 2 screw here,
2 screw, and what?
down.
2 in the bottom.
Yeah.
We got the airbag. Knee airbag is installed, so just keep on plugging away. Just keep installing the glove box, and then I'll be working on the cluster here, and then the control on this side and the vent on this side. All right, we got the cluster going here, coming in this side. Start with the wire first. 2 connector, and then the retainer that secured the line. All right, so line up right there. Same thing here. The pin and then the hole right there. Line it up. That'll be the best is to get the stubby little screwdriver. So we got lots of room. See, I keep dropping the screw already. This is the 3rd time I'm doing this. Dropped so many times. Right, we're just gonna snug her up, and after that we're gonna put the plastic bezel, the finishing touch. All right, so we're gonna install this control panel, heater control, AC control, this whole finishing. So make sure to get all your, there's only 3 connector, 1 right there, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the left side. That's where your push start button is. So just get those connector lined up, snap it in, and then we'll line up the vent on this side. All right, so before we put this main control panel right here, we'll put a cluster bezel in first. Okay, I'll put this in first. So just start on the left side of the dash, slide it in.
Down this one, down this one.
Careful, you don't want to scratch anything. There you go. There's a pin right there. It will snap right in. And then same thing on this side. There's a pin right here. My finger, that will snap right in. There you go. When you hear that snap, it's ready to go. Now we put the screw in here. And then this cluster bezel is finished. Now let's install this one here now.
Yeah.
This side right here, this is ready to go. So line up, make sure it's lined up good.
Yep.
So the technique is to put it in, you just lift it up high first and then slide it in just like that. Perfect. All right, everything was lined up. Let's snap it back in. Who's calling, man?